Oops. Alright, I'm out here on the Peace River today, and the river is just really, really clear today. I almost feel like just kind of taking a walk, see what I can find just by looking instead of digging. But anyway, I found a little patch of gravel here and back at my usual spot. So let's see what we can find, and I only have about 2 to 3 hours to dig today. Got up a little late. I like sleep. Alright guys, you won't believe this. Literally the first shovel of the day in a spot that I wasn't really too sure of because it's not very gravelly, it's a little more sandy. Check this out. I think this is a bird bone. It's very light. You can see that it's hollow on the inside there. And it's definitely a fossil, but it's super light. So this has got to be some kind of bird bone. So I am super stoked about that. I've never found one of these. They're extremely fragile, and it's the first find of the day. So hopefully it keeps getting better. Or who knows, maybe this will be my best find for the day. Awesome. Kicking it old school today because I forgot my fossil bag at home. Sweet. This looks like a horse tooth. Pretty cool find. Couple of nice teeth right there. Not a bad handful from these couple of scoops. Check it out. It's a gator tooth. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. A little beat up, but still pretty cool. Overall, it's been a great day, and couldn't have been happier with the finds that I had today. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to subscriber Slow Nick from Belgium for this awesome rendition of my Ninja Shark logo. Thank you, dude, for doing this. It looks awesome. If anyone else has any renditions or fan art they'd like to send me, my email is in my About page. Thanks for watching.